Look at the sunset, guys. It's just so gorgeous. Wow. Ready now.
DoorDash delivery.
Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? So it's been a while, I think I didn't film. I took a break, okay? So today I was not going to film, but then I decided to film. So I needed some things and literally it's so hot outside. I decided to just order some groceries because I need some groceries. So I thought I'll order some groceries and then we might go out. And like literally it's so hot outside, so we are going to the speed, I think, just near the beach, and we are going to sit there for a while, just relax and then come back. And I did order through DoorDash, okay? Literally it was okay because I haven't done shopping with DoorDash in a while, so I did it again and I'm going to do a haul when it arrives. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Haul कर देगा?
Yes.
Okay.
Totally.
DoorDash delivery.
कब से तुम DoorDash में काम करे लगा?
DoorDash delivery.
Okay, so I just ordered these things from Coles. Okay, starting from here, we got this family 18 pack cage free Sunny Queen Farms egg. लास्ट टाइम लाइक हम लोग एक जन खरीदा रहा, उसमें एक में से दो ही निकलत रहा ना. मे बी एग योक.
You want me to try?
No. Okay, we got nacho cheese, tasty cheese, we got corn chips, we got thinly cut sweet chili and sour cream, and we got this supreme corn chips. Okay, here we got sweet chili chicken breast tenders and some wrap, wholemeal, and Isha's Pocky. And I found this one on the website, so I thought I'll try this. This is veggie bites, zucchini and lentil. I don't know, you have to deep fry or we can make in air fryer, I think.
It's like bara bugla.
Yeah. And here we got some chicken nuggets for Isha and chickpea. 1, 2, 3 chickpeas and some mince, penne pasta and pasta bake. And here we got pasta sauce and cat food, means with chicken in gravy, coconut milk and mozzarella shredded cheese. And this time I got the what you call original one, not the light one. And some onion, coconut milk, dishwashing liquid, toilet rolls, juice and Red Bull. Okay, this one is 12 pack and this one is 8 pack.
It will give me some wings
Okay.
when I start flying.
Okay, you can start flying. Okay, these are the things, and not forgetting we also got some Simply cat litter. Penne pasta I'm making. Okay, no oil, just onion dye. Ginger garlic. Pepper. See, oil is coming out
Yeah.
from the mince. That's why I don't have to add much oil. No oil, I mean.
More oil like.
Mm. And we are going to bake. I'm gonna use this cheese and going to add this sauce too. Oregano?
Rosemary.
Rosemary? Oh, okay.
The flavor?
Pasta sauce. Water has been drained.
Yeah.
And mince is ready. And more garlic ginger.
So a little bit of leftover just to add a little bit of extra flavor.
And we are going to bake this.
A bit of
Shallots.
shallots.
Did you add salt?
Not yet.
Oh, okay. I think you should add
Because
salt.
salt in here.
Oh, okay, okay. You added, no?
Yeah. No, I think I should have it, actually. But without tasting कैसे करेगा?
Yeah, just add like that much. Yeah, I think it's okay.
3 teaspoons.
Enough. Yeah.
Okay. Now?
Now it means
Mint goes in.
there was not much oil in the mince. I think it was.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there was lots of time.
Okay, you took out the oil.
Mm.
Okay, okay. It looks good like that.
Yeah, I'll put a little bit of cheese in there now.
Enough. Too much, Haji. Enough.
Okay, just a little bit, and then it goes into the baking dish and into the oven. Okay, really good consistency. Really nice.
Mm.
Okay, this Legos pasta bake with creamy tomato and mozzarella again. So that's a little bit more creaminess on it. So it's spread it evenly. Just like that. Hold.
Just say it all. Just sprinkle a bit. Goes in the oven. Ready now. Okay, so you like the pasta recipe the way hubby made it? Like literally it was really tasty. I already had some and kids had it too, but we have planned to go to Paradise Point, so we are going like late in the afternoon and it's like 4:41 p.m. so we might leave at 5 and just changed the outfit. I was wearing something else, then I changed it to this. Okay, and I think I took a video of the dress I was wearing. I already posted like few clips on TikTok stories, Instagram stories, and also my Facebook stories, so do check out. I post literally everything there. What's happening?
She kept on attacking me.
Now it looks a bit better.
Okay, so your this necklace and bracelet set is my mum's, and it's from Proud, and I really love it. I want to keep it, but she isn't letting me keep it.
You have to say all that.
Yeah, I have to. Cause like, look how beautiful it is. It's like a heart, and it has like this little squiggly, wiggly thing, and it's really pretty.
Find one inside. The top is down. Who did it?
Oh, that wasn't me. Here, y'all. We got this one.
Yeah, that's a bit better. Matches your clothes.
I can't tie the back thing, but look at these heels, y'all. They're from Spenless,
Yeah.
and they're so slay.
Big go.
And I cannot walk in heels.
Okay, can you put it away, please?
And they're really cute, aren't they? y'all?
Yeah, looks
Like-
very good with the socks. Country?
Christmas flag.
No, the way you said it before. Say
Christmas
tree.
tree.
It's locked. This thing is locked. Looks so cute, your leg. Legs are so cute.
He looks like me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely
very
does.
And stiff.
This is Paradise
Yum.
Point. देखो हम लोग देखो हम लोग के यहाँ से घुसा हुए देखा ये वाह there was a space there. Love it.
Yes, but I'm going waterfall. No. Look at them around there.
Oh,
To crawl. From there. You have to crawl a bit.
oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
So we're going this side. We used to come here a lot, huh?
Yes.
So beautiful. We used to stay here a long time ago when Eliza and Isha were
That's
born.
straight there.
Yeah, just that place.
Okay, go down from here. Here.
यहाँ से अब हम लोग के
That was cool.
शूज पकड़ो हम कैसे आई
Yeah, just go down and then. ऐसे. Yeah. And now you guys can run in slow motion. Okay, put it here.
beautiful here. Yay.
Yeah.
Look at the sunset, guys. It's just so gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful. Hey, Isha.
Yeah.
Isha told me to take the video. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty.
Oh, I thought you were joking.
No, no, no. You can see. So, no, the spear over there.
There is the swimming area. We'll come someday for a swim.
Huh?
Isha love it?
Yes, I love it.
Yeah.
This one's just so pretty.
Mm.
And my foot won't stop sinking.
Yeah. Date. On some
Yeah.
berries, yeah. There is another toilet there, and one toilet is at the back.
Don't take
So
pictures.
many. That's the swimming area. Yeah, there's something going on that side.
Just try it.
I don't know, it's just like this. Okay, so I hope you all liked our today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot. And also follow me on other social media sites. Links are below in the description box. And this place is just so beautiful. It's Paradise Point, Gold Coast. Okay, it's just so gorgeous. Thanks for watching. Bye.